I hope you guys can see me alright. I just took that for a ride, and I just walked 1.5 miles home. Let me show you what's going on. Alright, so as you can see right now, it's free rolling. Clutch is not in. Clutch is working. But she's a free roller. You hear that grinding in there? So this is the 100cc build. So I've got two theories on what just happened to this poor thing. Either A, the bevel gear and the clutch basket are destroyed inside there, or I just completely destroyed the shaft, the clutch shaft in this. Now, if either of those two actually happen, then I am like the proudest damn owner of that, because this thing has been an absolute freaking monster after I fixed it. I know a lot of people give it bad shit because it's like a garbage kit, but just based on the noise alone, I'm gonna safely say I probably destroyed the clutch basket, or I destroyed the shaft in that, because this engine was actually running perfectly fine, and you could just hear the metal in there. And if you shake it, there's some shit rolling around. So we're gonna take this apart and see what the hell happened. And the winner is, god damn, look at that. That is some beautiful carnage right there. That takes a lot of force to break that. So, amazing. Alright, so we're going to replace the shaft in it, and then get her going again. But, damn, that's some hella carnage right there.